Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 1, 2023. One star Sudoku. Column E, we have 213. So 213 can't come this cell. It will come in other cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have pair numbers 213. So 213 can't come these cells. 6th row, 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. The 3 is confirmed here. 8th grade also we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell. The 3 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row and 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 9, 6. 4th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B and 7th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, 7th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7. 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. And then 5 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column D, column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come here with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come here with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column D, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. Column B, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will be another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then the 8th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will be another 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another cells, we will confirm later. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.